Morning all. This is for cough, cold and indigestion problem. Juice I am making. This is already I prepared and kept it for my mother. She got a dry cough. We can use this juice for dry cough and mucus cough also. Wet cough we call it. This I am using for my mother 10 ml for 3 times. For children we can use for 5 ml you can give. This you can store it in a bottle and keep it in the fridge for 10 days. And every morning before giving 10 minutes 20 minutes you take it out and bring it to room temperature and give it to everyone. 6 months baby to any age group you can use it. Water, a glass of water, jaggery, pinch of pepper, ajwain, vovacard. I didn't have fresh ginger, so I used dry ginger powder. It is very useful. I am using only half a spoon and half lemon is enough for this, because lemon is rich in vitamin C. It is needed for cough, cold and indigestion. All 3 purpose I am using this juice. I am adding this a glass of water. Add everything and keep it for boil. See this I am adding, and ginger powder, and this one jaggery, little pepper. Only when it get cold, room temperature it comes, that time you can add lemon juice. So I am bringing boil only. This get melt now. After boiling we just bring it to room temperature. Then we can add lemon, squeeze it. You strain it and give everybody. If anybody ready to take this everything ingredients like this only, it is okay. But children we can't give, children won't take. So we need to strain it and make it a juice like this. Thank you.